Hello YouTube, and welcome to our first episode of working with Deno. And we are going to be working on a library called Deno, which is relatively new, and apparently Deno is a faster runtime than Node.js, and it's also been requested for me to make videos around Deno. So here it is. It's never been done before, apparently. So here we are. So with this library, Deno, we are in contact with the person who actually created this library, and they are in the Vaultrex Discord, which you can see in the bottom left. So Deno is, in their opinion, one of the best Discord API libraries. So we're going to have a look at that and see what we think of it, really. So it's written in TypeScript, like entirely in TypeScript. So apparently, yeah, that's already better. But being real now. So it's going to provide massive benefits that we see as we go through the tutorial. It probably won't be in this episode, it'll be throughout this whole series. And Deno uses Deno and not Node.js. So it's using the faster, or apparently faster, runtime, basically. So firstly, you're going to want to install Deno on your computer. So if we scroll down to installation on the Deno website, we're using Windows, so we'll be using PowerShell. So we're just going to want to go ahead and copy this to our clipboard and ready to paste it. So I'll see you at the command prompt. So here we are in the PowerShell. So we're just going to go ahead and paste that command that we copied and hit enter. And that's going to install Deno. So when you install this, you'll be able to run the Deno commands, such as the commands like start your new bot, etc. So while we're here, we've actually been provided with a bot template on a GitHub. So for once, you'll be able to actually download and clone this GitHub yourself. So as you see, Deno's installed now, so we can do Deno --help. As you can see, you've got some commands here that you can use. So we'll be using the run command today, most likely. So yeah, I'm now going to show you the repository you'll need to basically create a template from on GitHub. So see you on GitHub. This is HostingBot, a cheap, fast and reliable hosting company, providing you many services such as shared hosting, VPS servers, dedicated servers and Discord bot hosting. Host your Discord bot for as low as $1.75 a month with HostingBot. And since we're being sponsored by HostingBot, we have our own promotional code which will take 20% off the final price for new customers only. Host your Discord bot for as low as $1.52 a month with code Vaultrex. And if you're having doubts, just look at all these happy customers. Romvli, are you a happy customer of HostingBot?
Yes, and I have been a happy customer of HostingBot for now.
Madrid, are you a happy customer of HostingBot?
Hell yeah, baby, it's amazing, man. I've never seen something so amazing.
And without further ado, we'll get back into our video. So we're going to be going to the following URL, which will be on the screen now. And we're going to click use this template right here. And then we can create a repository name, so I'm going to use Deno tutorials. And I'm going to go ahead and create a repository from template, like so. So we'll wait for this to generate, and now we have our own GitHub for it. So if we just go ahead and click code, we can just copy this to our clipboard, this link here. And now we're going to go back to our command line. So I'm going to go ahead and CD into my desktop. And now I'm going to go ahead and type git clone. You need to make sure you have git installed, by the way, for this. And then paste the link. And now that has created a folder for us on our desktop. As you can see, we now have a Deno tutorials folder right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up in Visual Studio Code now. So here we are in Visual Studio Code. So since we have a template, all we need to do now is simply rename the configs.example.ts to configs.ts, like so, and we're going to edit this file and paste our bot token into here. So now we've pasted that in, so let's have a little look around this bot, see what we've got. So we have a commands folder to create new commands in, which we'll gradually begin doing. So as you can see, you've got some familiar looking code here from our previous tutorials. We have a command handler, so not bad looking, not bad. So it's message.channel.id instead of channel.id. Actually, I think this is property in discord.js. Yeah, we got some of that. We have a help command by the looks of it. We got a reload command, purge. We got arguments. Customizations. So we're going to look more into all this throughout the series. Database. Yeah, we're going to have a good look into all this. But for now, we just want to get the bot up and running for this episode. So now we've pasted our token in, we can now go ahead and start the bot. So back into the PowerShell. So I'm going to go ahead and cd into the directory, like so. And now we're going to type quite a long command, unfortunately. So we want to do deno run, and then it's -- allow net -- allow read -- allow write -- no check mod.ts. Now, from what I know at the moment, is it's allowing it to read files, I'm going to assume. I don't know this for sure. Allow write, and now this no check part, we're adding a file name there. So if we go look at mod.ts, so earlier on when I was actually testing with this, there was an error with this. All I'm going to assume is that no check flag is probably ignoring the file essentially. It's not going to check it for errors. That's all I can assume. So correct me if I'm wrong, but let's go ahead and execute the command. So we're beginning the bot startup process. Could take a little bit depending on the system. So we'll wait for this to do what it needs to do. There should be a bunch of more logs. So 14 arguments, 13 commands, 4 events, 5 inhibitors, 2 monitors and 3 tasks. Boys online and ready in 2 guilds. Now let's go test the bot. So I'm going to go ahead and run the ping command. So as you can see, we have a ping right there. Damn, that is some good ping. If that is truly... Why is it negative? God knows. The help command apparently does not work, so I'll speak to the owner about that. But what else? What other commands were there? Yeah, we're missing manage messages, that's right. Yep. So we have permission check-in, as you can see. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in episode 2.